for something with your phone, transfer money using an app, or check your bank statement online, then you are already part of a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's called Fintech, and it is changing economics around the world. Hi, my name is Anis Shafika. I will share with you some information about Fintech payments. So, what is Fintech? Fintech is abbreviation of financial and technology. It might sound simple and straightforward, right? Well, actually, the term Fintech includes a huge range of products, technologies, and business models that are changing the financial services industry. It refers to everything from cashless payments to crowdfunding platforms and to virtual currencies. Our main focus in this video is Fintech payment. So every time you pay for the food that you ordered from Foodpanda, that's Fintech. Or if you transfer money for someone using Touch 'n Go e-wallet, that's also Fintech. And that is not the only thing about Fintech payment. Did you know that this financial technology Fintech is widely regarded as a disruptive or disturbing factor in the banking business? New entrants in IT, notably huge data and platform-oriented IT corporations like Google and Apple, are considered as a possible challenge to banks' positions. Fintech payment is currently competing with banking business in terms of making money and serving financial services to people. While banks appear to be in the lead, advances in the information technology and fintech are altering the competitive landscape. Customers now have more options for suppliers and potentially more transparent product offerings when using fintech compared to traditional banking. Despite its youth, fintech has affected the progress of contactless banking and payments. Electronic money and mobile banking have enabled contactless payments and banking. These new advances in the banking sector have overtaken traditional banking and payment systems. Payment systems have undergone significant digitalization and market liberalization in recent decades, increasing their informational verifiability and transferability. There are a lot of fintech payments that we are currently using on a daily basis in Malaysia, such as Touch 'n Go e-wallet and PayPal. Furthermore, payments, particularly retail-related payments, appear to be the most accessible to fintech. These fintech payments apps and platforms have made our life easier and can save a lot of time. These days, we do not need to go to bank counter to make basic transactions. The technology is just at our fingertips. Technology firms and payment specialists are interested in this key area of financial services. For example, China is undoubtedly the most prominent example of what new technology businesses are doing. Hundreds of millions of people use Alipay to make payments. That is why Jack Ma, the co-founder of Alibaba, is now one of the wealthiest men in the world, all thanks to big data and fintech. Next, what about the laws and regulations of fintech? Fintech is so easily accessible and make us worry about the safety of our money online. Not to worry, in order to keep up with the fintech development and ensure that firms are brought within the perimeter when necessary, the governments all over the world have set up systems to monitor and engage with the fintech payment community. These arrangements range from regular meetings to the establishment of innovation hubs. Authorities have also altered the regulatory framework to account for advances in fintech. Some countries have extended the current framework to fintech, while others have introduced new sorts of licenses with varying prudential criteria. Authorities have also altered the regulatory framework to account for advances in fintech. Lastly, it's on us where and how much we want to splurge or spend on our money. Be smart in managing your financials in this era of inflation and high living costs. Thank you.